my dream home.
Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful.
Of finding opal at Lightning Ridge. Basically, opal was originally found at Lightning Ridge by boundary riders working on the boundaries, and it was in the 1880s. Properties cheap, readily available at short notice. They're slow growth outback trees.
So why would you not continue to take that piece out?
What we're trying to find is colour. So this is a trace that we follow, and we chip into it every so often to see if it turns to colour. Yeah. But as you can see, this has been mined extensively. Ron wasn't the first owner here. 4 owners that owned it before him.
Like these are quite modern. Friends,
Yeah.
modern.
Yeah.
I like it. There's God.
Huh? That's Zeus, isn't it? I know it's sandstone, but
yeah, it's still hard. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, look at this. This has got to be like a little this like
something seeping through.
Yeah.
I think I thought you said level 2 was another 4 metres down.
It's 12 kilometers.
Yeah, so it was another 4 metres of sandstone, so whatever was dropped from here up.
I know you said you probably don't need to watch the video because you've done a big tour, but the man who came out just before said